Hill, row 3, then it's Brandon Jones, Ray Black Jr., Matt Crafton, and Tyler Reddick.
Ryan Blaney back in the field, 12th position for the restart. Tyler Reddick back in the 10th position. That'll be worth the cost of admission right here to see those guys come working their way through the field. American
further back. Tyler Reddick wants to go 3 wide. He thought better of that while we continue to watch the battle up front. Cole Custer from the top of 2 will grab the point. Timothy Peters to second, and now the battle is on behind them for third.
A good battle right now. Cameron Haley has that third spot. Then comes Johnny Sauter, dropping even further.
To work on Timmy Hill for the 6th position. Here's Crafton. He'll dial up the low lane, and he's there in 3.
Cole Custer out front, pulling away. Second place, Timothy Peters.
Oh yeah, I'm fine. It's got loose. I should have known better. I knew how much the air affected these trucks, but you know, it's a lot. It's a lot more than and rebuild, but yeah,
glad to see that it's okay.